In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage tasks in Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct account for the work or personal environment where you want the task to run, because task availability and permissions can vary depending on your setup. Once you're signed in, give the interface a moment to load fully so all available features appear. Next, look for the Tasks section inside Copilot. If your account currently supports this feature, you should see an area specifically designed for creating and managing automated requests. Keep in mind that feature rollouts can happen gradually, so if you don't see tasks right away, it may not be available on your account yet. If it is available, open that section to continue. Now you can create a task by typing your instruction in natural language. This is one of the most useful parts of Copilot because you don't need to write anything technical or use a special format. Just describe what you want in a clear, conversational way. For example, you might ask Copilot to summarize the day's news every morning at 8 a.m. The clearer your wording is, the easier it will be for Copilot to understand exactly what you want the task to do and when you want it to happen. After entering the task, choose whether you want to run it immediately or schedule it for later. Running it now is helpful if you want to test the result right away, while scheduling is better for recurring or time-based tasks. Take a moment here to confirm the timing so it matches your intended routine. You may then be asked to review the task details before it goes live. Read through the summary carefully and confirm any permissions or approvals if prompted. This step matters because Copilot may need access to certain information or services in order to complete the task correctly. Approving only what you understand is a good habit, especially when setting up automation. Once confirmed, let Copilot perform the task and monitor its progress. Depending on the type of request, this may happen quickly or take a little longer. Watch for status updates so you can tell whether the task is running, completed, or needs attention. Finally, you can return to the Tasks page at any time to view the completed task or manage it further. If your needs change, you can edit the task, pause it temporarily, or delete it altogether. This gives you flexibility to keep your automated workflow organized and up to date.